In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove all alerts in Tradingview so you can keep your workspace clean and distraction free. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the top right corner. Find the alarm clock icon. Click on it to open the alerts panel. Here you'll see a list of all your active and inactive alerts. If you have many alerts, this list can get crowded. Now right-click anywhere inside the alerts list. A menu will appear with different options. Look for Delete All Inactive. Click on it. A confirmation message will pop up. Click Delete again to confirm. All inactive alerts will be removed instantly. You can also click the three dots menu in the alerts panel. From there, select Delete All Inactive as well. This is a quicker alternative method. If you want to remove active alerts, you'll need to delete them manually. Just click the delete icon next to each alert. Keeping your alerts clean helps you stay focused on important trades. That's it, you've successfully removed alerts in Tradingview. Subscribe for more Tradingview tips and tutorials.